Hi, Miss.
Hi, dear.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
All right. Oh, you're
What
here.
is that?
This is someone that I'm going to mute for the rest of the session. How about this?
That was Habib.
Okay.
I
love carrots.
That time it was a kid.
Okay, guys, I want you to mute your mics.
Carrots.
Mute your mics, please. Mute your mics. Don't let me mute it for you, please. I'm trying to treat you as grown-ups, so please help me doing this. Okay, so we are going to continue. We stopped in the last question in paper 1, right here. These are 3 groups of rocks. You have the igneous, the metamorphic, and the sedimentary. Number 1 says the group of rocks that are formed due to rocks exposed to very high heat and pressure are called, yes, Ayman?
These are called metamorphic.
Metamorphic, very good. The next one, Habiba. The group of rocks that are formed due to cool down of lava are called what?
Igneous rocks.
Igneous rocks, very good. Number 3, Dana. The group of rocks where scientists can find fossils are called sedimentary rocks, very good. Now, the last question, there was a mistake. I should have added one more of the I should add one more word to the word bank. So I will accept 2 answers. Okay, let me show you how. Number 4, an example of a rock that was formed due to lava cooling down slowly is, if you wrote igneous, it's correct. Okay, so an example of a rock that was formed due to lava cooling down slowly. Okay, Habib, I can see it there. Yes, this is granite, I know. An example of a rock that was formed due to lava cooling down slowly is igneous. If you wrote igneous, it's going to be correct. If you wrote, please mute your mic.
Adam, stop.
Mute your mic.
Yeah.
If you wrote another thing, and I want one of you to tell me what is the other thing that is considered correct, and it's not written here. Hey,
Miss, I know.
Miss, I know.
Okay, please mute your mics and I will choose someone. Okay, there
High
is another
temperature.
answer. There is another answer that if you added here, even if it's not in the word bank, I'm going to consider it correct. Okay, so let's take Adam. Yes, Adam.
It is granite.
Right, excellent, very good. So what are the answers that I'm going to accept and consider it correct? If you wrote igneous, it's correct. If you wrote granite, it's also correct. Okay, guys?
I wrote granite.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. All right, so now you are going to start with paper 2. All right, here you go. So we're just going to, yeah, okay. Now, question number 1, choose the correct answer. When the rocks weather and are moved from one place to another. Of course, by now you should know what's the meaning of rocks weathering. It means that when the rocks are exposed to very strong wind or strong rain, that makes them break into small parts. So when the rocks weather and are moved from one place to another, dash are formed. Malik, what will be formed? Malik? Malik, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
Yes. So what will be formed?
Sediments.
Sediments, yes. Thank you, Malik. Okay, number 2, an example of sedimentary rock or rocks. So it could be more than one answer, all right? An example of sedimentary rock or rocks is Yaslayan. Is it limestone, sandstone, or all of the above?
All of the above.
All of the above, yes, because limestone is a sedimentary rock and sandstone is also a sedimentary rock. Number 3, which one of these rocks is an igneous rock? Omar.
Basalt.
The basalt, very good. And the basalt is, I think there is another question about this, so I'm not going to say it now. Okay, which one of these rocks is an igneous rock? Basalt is the correct answer. Number 4, which of the following rocks is permeable? Which of the following rocks is permeable? Safe.
Yes.
Yeah, which one of the following rocks is permeable, Safe?
I forgot.
You forgot.
Miss, I can remember.
Okay, make a wild guess. Which one of these do you think will allow the water to pass through them? Marble, granite, or chalk? Marble, granite, or what?
I guess true.
Chalk, very good, yes. Because we make statues out of marble, so of course they should be impermeable, because if you made statues out of things that is permeable, it's going to break very easily. And we know that granite is also one of the impermeable rocks, and this is why we use it for stairs, we use it for in the kitchens, we use it for hardware stuff. So of course it's chalk, because chalk wears away easily too. Okay, thank you, Safe. Number 5, which type of soil contains large particles and large air gaps? Tayyib.
Yes.
Yeah, which one of these soils contain large particles and large air gaps?
Sand soil.
Sand soil, very good. Question 6, basalt is a or an? Muhammad Ahmed.
Igneous rock.
Igneous rock, very good. And Muhammad, do you remember which type of igneous rocks is it? Is it the type that the lava cools, when the lava cools down slowly, or when the lava cools down quickly?
Slowly.
No, no.
Quickly?
Yes, when the lava cools down quickly, it will make one of the basalt will be one of the rocks that will be formed due to this event. Thank you, Muhammad. Number 7, Muhammad Chernobyl. The powder left behind when the rock is rubbed against a rough surface is?
Lost.
No.
Hardness.
No. The powder, yes, of course it's streak. The powder left behind when the rock is rubbed against the rough surface. Do you remember, guys, the video?
No, Miss, a rough white tile.
Whether it's a rough white tile or a rough black tile, it's a rough surface.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a rough surface in general. So the powder left behind, once you read the word powder left behind, of course, it's going to be the streak. Do you remember the video that I showed you?
Yeah.
The woman that kept rubbing things against the tiles? Yes. So the powder left behind when the rock is rubbed against the rough surface is the streak.
Miss, by the way, I know it. I was just telling you that it's rough.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, Omar. Number 8. Let's take, I want a girl now.
Me.
Me. Okay, no, Dana. Matter is made up of tiny particles called what?
Yes, miss, could you please repeat that again? I didn't hear you.
Matter is made up of tiny particles called
Atoms.
atoms. Thank you. Number 9. Suhaila, are you there?
Yeah,
Okay, Suhaila.
two positive charges approach each other. They will.
Yeah.
Two positive repel.
They will repel because both of them are similar in charge. So if two positive charge approach each other, they're going to repel. Thank you, Suhail. Number 10, the atom is neutral because, we answered this like millions of times. The atom is neutral because, Alia?
Because the positive charges are the same amount as the negative.
So it's the first one, it's A, the number of positive charge equal the number of negative charge. Thank you, Ali. Number 11, the build-up of electrical charge on an object is, it's called what? Bilal, are you there? Is Bilal here? I don't think Bilal is here.
Yeah, he said that his phone was glitching.
Okay.
So he got out.
All right. So Habiba, the build-up of electrical charge on an object is?
Static electricity.
Static electricity, excellent. Number 12, the flow of electrical charge through a circuit is called, let me take, Omar.
Yes.
Yeah, the flow of electrical charge through a circuit is called what? The flow.
The flow?
Yes. Is it static or current?
Static?
The flow.
The flow. Current.
Current electricity, yes. So if it's flowing, this means that it's moving like the water in the river. So this means that it's a current electricity. But we said that the static
I got confused.
It's fine. The static electricity, guys, means that it's staying still. It's sitting on something. Okay. Number 13, the only time. Stop playing with my screen. Let me just disable this. Okay. The only non-metal electric conductor is Ayman?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, the only non-metal electric graphite. Yes, very good. Now let's go to question number 2. Write whether the following examples are static or current electricity. Okay. Mu'mina, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Can you tell me this one? Do you see it? This one, this boy running from something. Can you see it? Yeah. Is it static or current electricity?
It's the
Static or current?
static.
Static, exactly, because this is lightning, and lightning is is an example of static electricity. Thank you, Mu'min.
Yeah.
Something here too. I just a question.
You have a question?
Yeah.
You're Habiba, right?
Yeah, I'm Habiba.
Yes, Habiba.
In question 2, can we write static, or we have to write static electricity? Or
No, if you wrote static or current, it's also correct. Okay? You don't have to write the full statement. It's fine. Okay. What about this one?
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Jaida, is Jaida there?
Miss, she's asking you to let her in.
To let her in. There's no one in my waiting room.
But she said
I don't know. Just let her make sure that she's entering my session, not someone else's session. Okay, maybe she's confused in the links because
With the right password.
Maybe, yes. Because I don't have anyone in my waiting room, so I cannot help her, unfortunately. Okay, so let me take Adam. Yes, Adam. What about this girl? Is she experiencing static electricity or current electricity? Adam? Adam?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah, the mic wasn't opening.
it's fine.
Okay. The girl, she's doing static electricity.
Yes, static electricity. Very good. Liane, what about this one?
Current electricity.
Current electricity. Malik, what about this one? Malik? Malik, are you there? Okay, Taim.
Okay.
Current or static?
Current.
Current electricity. Thank you, Taim. Okay, now let's go to question 3. Why is chalk used for writing and drawing? I'm going to take, yeah, Bilal. Welcome back, Bilal. Can you tell me why is chalk used for writing and drawing?
Because it wears away easily.
Very good, because it wears away easily. Excellent. Question B, give 2 reasons why slate is good for roofs. Okay, let me
Or
take,
someone else.
no, someone else there. I'm going to pick up someone else. Muhammad Sharnoubi. Are you there?
Yeah,
Okay, give 2 reasons why slate is good for roofs.
because they are flat.
They could be cut into thin sheets.
Tables and also
They are what? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
because they are flat and
They could be cut into thin sheets. Okay, this is number 1. Yeah, number 2 is that it's what?
could make billiard tables.
It makes bigger billiard tables, I know. But why is it good for roofs? You said that it could be cut into thin sheets. This is correct. What else? Slate has a very strong, or yeah, a very specific point that makes it good for roofs. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to ask you the question another way, Muhammad, okay? So if you have a roof above your head and it's raining, do you want a type of roof that lets water in or that prevents water from getting in? Muhammad.
It's absorb water in.
You want roofs that absorbs the water inside the house?
No.
No, you want something that prevents water from getting inside the house, right? Yeah, so this makes the slate
Impermeable.
Yes, the second thing, that slate should be impermeable. Thank you, Muhammad. So guys, the 2 reasons why slate is good for roofs. Number 1, because it's impermeable, and number 2 is that it could be cut into thin sheets, or you can write it's very hard. Both will be correct, okay? Now, question C, give 2 reasons why marble is good for making statues. Hey, give 2 reasons why marble is good for making statues. Liane, yes, Liane.
It doesn't wear away easily and it has attractive colors and texture.
So it has an attractive color and texture, and it doesn't wear away easily. Yeah, okay, that could be right. Yes, and it's hard. This is another thing. So yeah, okay, I will take both of them. All right, question number 4. Give one difference between those two rocks. Give one difference between those two rocks. You have limestone and you have granite. So what could be the difference between those two rocks? You can tell me, of course, what types are they? What types are they? Ayman?
Yes, miss.
Okay, what are the difference between those two rocks?
One is sedimentary and the other is igneous. Granite
Yes.
is igneous and limestone is sedimentary.
Very good. So granite is igneous and limestone is sedimentary. Very good. Put tick or cross beside each statement. So of course you have to say whether it's right or wrong. Number 1, statues are made from marble because it has an attractive texture. Habiba? True or
Yes.
false?
Statues are made from marble because it has an attractive texture. Yes.
True. Dana, slate cannot split easily into thin sheets.
False.
False. Number 3, safe. When lava cools, it forms igneous rocks.
True.
True. Malik, are you there?
Yes, he is.
Malik?
Yes.
Okay. Chalk doesn't wear away easily, so it's not.
False.
Okay. Number 5. The hardness of the minerals are classified using Mohs scale. Alia. Alia, please mute your mics, guys. Mute your mics. Make sure that your mic is muted because I can hear everything. Okay? Alia, are you there? All right. Bilal.
Yes, miss.
The hardness of the minerals are classified using Mohs scale.
Yes.
True. Tayyim. The streak is the color of the powder left behind when rubbed against a rough white tile.
No.
No.
Wait. Yes.
Yeah, this is correct. Okay. Mu'mina, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me granite and basalt are from metamorphic rocks?
It's false.
False. Very good. They are igneous rocks. Very good, Mu'mina.
Yeah.
Number 8. Sandstone is an example of sedimentary rock. I want Omar. Sandstone is an example of sedimentary rock.
Sandstone?
Yeah?
No, yeah.
Yeah.
No, wait.
Yes.
Yeah. Sandstone and limestone.
Yes. Okay. Bilal, mute your mic.
I could do a magic.
You can do magic. Okay, mute your mic, please. Yeah, thank you. Question number 5. Use the hardness scale below to answer the questions. So right here we have the Mohs scale, the Mohs hardness scale. Of course, we know this and we saw it several times. It's found in your practice worksheet. It's found in your book too, and we have answered such questions several times. Okay, so which mineral is the hardest? This one is found in the book just like this, right? We did it before in the book.
Yes.
Yeah. So which mineral is the hardest? I'm looking for someone who, Suhaila, can you tell me which mineral is the hardest, dear?
Yeah. Diamond.
Diamond, very good. B, which mineral is the softest? Muhammad Sharnoubi.
Talc.
Talc, very good.
White.
C, which mineral will scratch the diamond? Muhammad Ahmed.
He isn't.
He's not here?
Yeah, he is.
Okay, Adam, which mineral will scratch the diamond?
Nothing.
None, very good. D,
None.
which mineral will the gypsum scratch? Which mineral will the gypsum scratch? Dana. Let me go.
Asking for
Yes, I'm going up, yeah.
The gypsum will scratch the talc.
The gypsum will scratch the talc, very good. Which mineral will scratch the topaz? Liane.
Corundum, the topaz.
What? Which one will scratch the topaz?
Corundum and diamond.
Yes, corundum and diamond. If you wrote only corundum, it's also correct. Okay. The last question, which mineral will the fluorite scratch? I will take safe. Which mineral will the fluorite scratch?
Talc, gypsum,
Calcite. Yes, calcite, gypsum, or talc. If you wrote one of them, it's also correct. Okay, thank you, Safe. Now, question number 6. Mobolaji investigates electricity. He sets up a circuit with a battery, a lamp, and a switch. Mobolaji closes the switch. What happens to the lamp? This is a little bit tricky. This is a little bit tricky. He closes the switch, okay? So I want someone to tell me what will happen to the lamp. Ayman?
It will keep working.
It will light up or turn on or will keep working. Yes, because
Because
guys,
he doesn't. If the thing that will confuse is he didn't say that he turned the switch off. He said that he closed the switch.
yeah, so when
that
he
means
says that
it
he
will work.
closes the switch, it means that he turns the switch on. When he says that he closes the switch, it means that he closes the circuit. He's closing the circuit. So this means that the switch will be on. Okay, guys? Okay, so what happens to the lamp? It will turn on. B, what connect all the circuit parts together? This is very easy. Let me ask Habiba.
Yes.
Yeah, what connects all the circuit parts together, honey?
The wire.
The wire, very good. Question C, write attract or repel. Okay, so I'm going to take people quickly. Alia, are you there? Is Alia there?
Is using a range of compound and complex.
Ali, are you there? I can hear Omar very well. Are you there?
And complex.
Yes.
Okay. When positive and positive are together, will they attract or repel?
Yes, miss.
Repel.
They will repel. Very good.
Yes.
No, I'm talking about Omar, Alia's brother.
Okay.
Okay. Number 2. Okay, Omar, you answered the second one, Omar. Positive and negative.
Positive and negative attract.
Attract. Very good.
Pull.
Between brackets, pull. Pull. Okay, pull. Fine. All right. Safe, negative and positive. Easy.
Attract.
Attract. And Adam, negative and negative.
Repel.
Repel. Very good. Okay, now let's go to question 7. We're about to finish. To make a bulb light up, you need a complete Malik. Of course, you don't need a complete Malik. You need a complete what, Malik? Malik is not here. Malik.
No, he is here. He is here, but
he's not responding. Why?
I don't know.
Okay, Dana, to make a bulb light up, you need a complete what?
Circuit.
Circuit, very good. Number 2, complete the labels. What provides the power? Habiba.
What provides
Uh-huh.
the battery?
The battery or the cell? Tayyim, the wire does what?
The wire connects the parts.
Yes, connects the circuit parts together. Question 3, put a cross through the circuit that won't light. Which one of these two circuits will not work, Muhammad? Yeah, which one of those two circuits will not light up?
The first one.
The first one, yes. And why? Can you tell me why?
Because the wire is in one side of the battery.
Yes, because both of the sides of the wire is connected to only one side of the battery. Very good. Number 4. Now you have an electric cable. An electric cable contains a wire which is covered by a plastic sleeve. All right. Why is the wire made of metal? Bilal. Bilal, your picture, while of course your apparently your camera is glitching, so your picture is really funny. So I'm going to take someone else because apparently something wrong with his connection. Omar, why is the wire made of metal?
Why is the wire made of metal? Because
the metal is
it
what?
could connect the...
Yeah, the metal is what kind of materials? Is it a conductor? Yes, it's a conductor. Miss? Exactly. Yes, Ayman.
By the way, Bilal has joined 2 times.
I think something is wrong with his connection, and this is why it's glitching.
Yeah, so, here is it.
Yeah, okay. Miss, there is Bilal Medina and Bilal Medina too.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. and sometimes the picture of the shark is here, and sometimes the picture of him opening his mouth.
Can someone hear me?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can
Bilal.
now.
Bilal.
I know, but the picture is glitching. Only I close the camera
Miss
because
Antayim too. Miss Antayim too.
Okay. Bilal, yes. Are you here? Okay. Why is the wire covered with a plastic sleeve, Bilal?
So we don't get electric or burn.
So that we cannot get an electric shock or not get electrocuted, and this is because the plastic sleeve is all of course an insulator. Okay. Now we have 4 minutes left till the session ends. It's 10:16 now. And we're done with the 2 papers. So we're just going to take like a quick introduction to the lesson. Of course, some of you, I think maybe 6 of you was already there with
Yeah, I remember it. The moves of the object. Push and pull.
Push and pull, exactly. Push and pull. All right.
Yeah.
So right here.
Miss, some of us were here and some of us were not.
Yes, so we're going just to repeat it quickly, okay?
I was here.
Okay. So the question, okay, please mute your mics. Okay, the question that I'm going to ask.
I'm on mute.
Please mute, yes. Do objects move by themselves? Hey, Dana, do you think objects can move by themselves?
Of course not.
Of course not. In order for the objects to move, you have to apply force to it. And what's the meaning of applying force? You have to exert an effort, meaning that in order for you to move your book from one spot in your desk to another spot, you have to exert an effort by picking it up and move it to the other side of the desk, for example. Another way is if you have a ball and you want to get it through or into the goal, for example. So you have to kick the ball. This is what applying force is. You have to exert an effort in order to make an object move, okay? Of course, if you're opening a door or you're opening a drawer, you have to be applying force or exerting an effort in order to do so, okay? Now, there are several things that we can do in order to make this object move. I want to give the ball to my friend across the field, for example. So what should I do? I will be pushing the ball towards my friend, and this is how I'm going to make the ball start moving. Because it was staying still in my hand and I wanted to move, so I'm going to apply a force in order to make it move. Some other times the ball is already moving, but I want to change its direction. So as you can see, Mo Salah here, he is changing the direction the ball is going, okay? So the ball is already moving between his legs, but he wants to change its direction. So this is another way of using the force in order to change its direction, okay? Now, it's 10:20, guys, so I don't want you to be late to your snack time or your next session. So I'm going to end the session now. We're going to continue. I don't think we have a session tomorrow, right? We have one after tomorrow.
Yeah, bye.
Oh yeah, we're going to see each other after.
Bye, 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 bye,
We're
bye,
going
bye,
to
bye, bye.
Guys, stop.
We're going to continue this
It was me.
lesson. All right. So until then, guys, I'll be seeing you in a
The
very
shark
nice-
lesson?
What? The shark lesson,
The
yes.
shark lesson?
Of course. Okay, guys. Bye. I'll be seeing you later.
Bye.
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 Shark forever.